Alright, so we got another video for you guys today. I want to apologize to you guys. I had another video that I was uploading and I accidentally deleted it. So nobody's ever going to see that video. So I apologize for that. But anyways, what I did cut for that video, I cut this awesome Last Choice geode with some nice parallax banding. And I slabbed up a big chunk of crazy lace agate. Laguna lace agate, crazy lace agate. So this is just kind of a sample of what I cut up. I have like 3 slabs that I posted to Etsy of this stuff. So if anybody's interested, you can go over there and take a peek at them. So anyways, for today's video, we're going to cut open. We've got a Malawi agate here, a good sized Calandria agate. This is like 3, almost 4 inches across, and a nice little pile of Picacho agates. So we're gonna go ahead and get to cutting. Which ones do you want to cut first, Josiah?
Maybe these 2.
All right, we're gonna cut the Picacho agates first. I think we'll just do them all at once. So let's get a look at them. This one here has an awesome little window there. It looks like it's got some really good banding. It's kind of hard to tell because it's so old. It's an old window. This guy here, oh, it's gonna be purple, I think. It has a nice purple window in it, so that's a good sign. This double nodule here. Not really sure what to expect with this one. Maybe some nice banding. I don't know if that's a window or not. And then this small flat one here that has not really any windows. So let's go ahead and cut these and we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so we went ahead and cut them. Let's see what we got. Here's our first one. Ooh! Look at the banding in there. It's so dark. That's pretty. Oh, I love how you can see through the... See if I can hold it up to the light. You can see down inside on the right side there. That's cool. That's pretty. Giant flow channel down at the bottom. Almost looks like a tree or something. I don't know. Alright, so our second one. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Quite a bit of matrix in this one. Wasn't as purple as I'd hoped it would be. Huh. Yeah, a lot of matrix in this one. Little geode pocket. Alright, now the yellowish one. Ooh, that's pretty. Very purple. That's actually a really nice one. I've noticed the ones that have a yellow husk like that, it seems like they tend to be more purplish inside. That's a really nice one right there. I love the color of that one. Real dark purple on this side. That's nice. That's very pretty. Alright. Our final Picacho agate. What do we got? Ooh, it's a brown one. Cool. That's pretty. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. That's interesting. So I think my favorite Picacho agate out of these was this one here, this purple one. I love the purple banding in these. That's a nice one. Alright, so next, what are we going to cut?
The Malawi agate.
The Malawi agate? Okay, so I was looking at this one earlier. Let me get it wet. I have a feeling this one might be mostly quartz, because it's got that window there and all I see is quartz. So hopefully it's got some bands in there, but we'll see. Maybe it'll be a geode. Just go ahead and cut it and see what's inside. Alright, so it's a super fast cut, so it's either quartz or a geode. So what do we got? Ooh, all quartz. Alright, well, wasn't too surprising. So, the big Calandria agate. Let's see what's inside of this thing. Go ahead, cut it, and we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so that's a pretty long cut. So let's see what we got. Ooh, that's different. Oh, wow. Let me get wet. What in the world is going on with this? Whoa! Look at all the tubes in there. And look at that. It's like two separate agate nodules there. I gotta focus on my thumb there. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow. That's a weird one. Huh. That's a really neat Calandria agate. The other's half. That's really bizarre. Not a lot of color in there, but really just really interesting banding in this one. Yeah, that's nuts. This side is just nuts. That's so cool. Alright. That's so cool. Alright, so I decided I cut one more Malawi agate, since that one I cut was kind of disappointing. And this one has this awesome window here. It's kind of hard to see. It's got a lot of red in there, so I think this one might be a good one. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one, and we'll see what's inside of it. Alright, so we haven't peeked at it yet. The one end felt a little bit gunky. It was really fast. The other end felt pretty good, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Ooh. Not much. A lot of gunk, but boy, what is there is really pretty. Huh. That's interesting. Yeah, the window on the outside was a little bit bigger than the window inside of it. Yeah, what's there is real pretty though. That's interesting. Huh. Alright. Josiah, you have any more you want to cut?
Maybe.
He wants to cut one more Picacho agate. He's got his Picacho agate stash here. Alright, so Josiah has one more Picacho agate he wants to cut. This is a really cool looking one. Let me show it to you guys. It's probably about 4 inches long. And it is pink and red. It's really crazy looking. So he's gonna go ahead and cut it, and we'll see what's inside of it. Alright, so we had a real fast cut with that one. So let's go ahead and see what's inside.
What?
Holy cow! Alright, that is awesome. Let me get it, wipe it off, clean it off for you guys. That is awesome. The pink? I don't know if it doesn't look that pink on the camera, but this thing is bright pink. It is really pretty. That is so pretty. Wow. Oh, beautiful. You're probably going to keep half this for your collection, right, Josiah?
Yes.
Yeah, he's going to put half this on his display shelf. That is so cool. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you do, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.